Let's begin now.
You know, today, I just woke up and I said, you know, instead of waiting on a good day, waiting around through ups and downs, waiting on something to happen, I just said,
We're gonna have a good day. Tired of the user interface of Microsoft Windows XP?
Want some features of Windows 7 and our Mac OS?
We present to you a tutorial on how to customize your Windows XP interface.
But guys, why don't we just purchase the new OS?
Because
You can run XP in your computers with only minimal hardware requirements.
it's faster, stable, and reliable.
XP doesn't have hardware issues and it boots faster. It gives you an overall better performance than other OS.
Here in the Philippines, Windows XP users may be decreasing because we always go with the latest and piracy alerts, right?
But you'll notice that other countries still use Windows XP.
As a matter of fact, 74% of business computers are still running Windows XP. Going with the latest doesn't always mean it will provide better outcome.
We present to you a tutorial on how to change the user interface of your Windows XP to the looks of Windows.
Download and extract the files in the description. Open Step 1 folder.
Double-click and install theme. Click Apply, then OK. You will notice that the wallpaper and the taskbar will change. Next, double-click and install Styler Toolbar Setup. And run Styler Toolbar. Go to Start, All Programs, Styler, and open Styler. In the taskbar, double-click the Styler icon. Click Themes and double-click 7VGRT.
Double-click and install taskbar. Click Yes and OK. Next, run the fonts. Open Extra Common Tasks and choose from Bottom Common Tasks or Left Dark Blue Common Tasks. Go to Local Disk C, Windows, Resources, Themes, 7VGRTM, Shell, and replace each file with a new one. Log off or start for changes to take.
For the icons, go to Step 2 folder, double-click and install Icon Tweaker Setup. And run 7VG icon theme. For the drive icons, go to Step 3 folder. Double-click and install Drive Icon Setup. Go to Start, All Programs, Vista Drive icon, and open Vista Drive icon. When you go to My Computer, you will see the percentage bar.
For the cursors, go to Step 4 folder. Right-click install.inf and choose Install. For that to take effect, you need to go to the Control panel. Go to Mouse, select the Pointers tab. In Scheme, choose Arrow Cursors. Click Apply and OK.
For the boot screen, go to Step 5 folder. Double-click and install TuneUp Utilities 2010. We have included the serial number for you. Several aspects can also be customized using the software, like the icon packages, file system objects, and etc. You can download a lot of customized items in the website. Open TuneUp Utilities. Under Customize Windows tab, click Boot Screen. Click Create New. Open Image, choose your picture and click Open. You can customize the progress bar. Save boot screen to finish. You can also do the same with the logon screen. Click Apply, Install, Start Screen, then OK. The next time you boot your computer, changes will apply.
Next is the VGlance. Open the folder and run VGlance. You will have larger icons in the taskbar and you can now shuffle the icons in the taskbar.
You can also pin and unpin icon. For the Windows 7 address bar, open the Step 8 folder. Double-click Qt address bar. Right-click on the toolbar, then check Qt address bar, and then check address bar.
For the dialog boxes, System Properties, Volume Control, and many other else, go to Step 9 folder. Open another Windows Explorer and go to Local Disk C, Windows, System 32. Go back again to Step 9 folder and open Replacer. Drag the old shell32.dll and follow the steps shown in the replacer. Do the same with msgna.dll, xpsp1res.dll, sysdm.cpl, and sndvol32. We already modified the system files for you to not do it manually anymore. You need to do this with the replacer because what we are customizing are system files and these files are being protected. After replacing those files, you need to reboot for changes to take effect. When you right-click and choose Properties from My Computer, you will see a new System Properties which is that of Windows 7. When you go to the Volume Control, you will also see a Windows 7 interface. We also modified the About Windows screen. Also, the turn off and lag off menu are better. As well as the right-click function, it is now different. In this folder, install everything to your computer and you will have different features that are in Windows 7, which are Area Space, Area Pick, Area Shake, and many more.
Here are the things you can do if you install those programs. If you click your scroll wheel beside the time, you can peek into your desktop. If you double-click your scroll wheel, it will show the desktop. Now you can also do Area Shake. Your Alt Tab feature will become more elegant because of the Vista switcher. With Windows Space, you can do roll up and make transparent.
You can do a research on how those programs work.